It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Monday, the 17th of October. I'm Michael Groff. After a wild weekend of weather around here, we're going to catch our breath. We saw a little bit of everything. Widespread heavy rain as we expected, which led to some flooding. But we also got severe weather, including strong, gusty, damaging straight-line winds in excess of 60 to 70 miles an hour in East Mesa, Gilbert, Chandler. They also experienced some large hail up to golf ball sized in a few locations. And on top of that, yesterday afternoon near Sun Lakes, there was a brief tornado, one of those little land spout tornadoes. Now, for today and going ahead for the week here, nothing like that. We're going to calm down, dry out, and see a warming trend take over once more, with highs getting pretty close to 90 by the middle and latter part of the week. But perhaps another round of unsettled weather comes in here by this weekend. So we will figure out what's going on as we dive in and discuss. First, looking at that almanac from yesterday, just a beautiful day. I mean, I hope you enjoyed it. 78 degrees, the afternoon high, after that morning low of 63. And look at that. Yep, we picked up almost a third of an inch yesterday at Phoenix Sky Harbor International Airport, a daily record for the day, or at least it tied a daily record. And now for the month of October, 95 hundredths of an inch of rain. 94 hundredths of which came from those storms here officially on Saturday and Sunday. We're still way behind on rainfall, but at least it did cut into the deficit somewhat. And yeah, that normal high is now dropped to 89 and the normal low 65. All right, as we get out there right now here at almost 9 a.m., we've got mostly clear sky in Phoenix. We're sitting at 70 degrees. Beautiful start to the day. Dew point at 50. Relative humidity 50%. Winds from the east-northeast at 10. And the barometer is steady. All right, the weather pattern here across the southwest. Well, there's that upper low. It's pulling away from us. That brought all the unsettled weather around here the last couple of days. We might see a stray shower or storm over eastern Arizona today. The wraparound moisture from that feature. But overall, high pressure will be building in, and so that's going to lead to a warming trend. The watch warning map, yeah, fall is coming in now. We've got freeze warnings for parts of the nation's midsection, the Midwest, all the way down to the Tennessee Valley. Some dense fog this morning along the Gulf Coast. Those advisories have since expired. And the convective outlook for today, there is a marginal risk of severe storms across parts of South Texas, as well as the Florida East Coast and the Carolinas up into Virginia. Here's the precipitation outlook. This is valid through Monday morning of next week. Rain amounts in Phoenix, generally under 1/10 of an inch. Could see a little bit more up north and over into the eastern mountains of the state, as our next rain chance comes in here by about Saturday or Sunday. But I will tell you right now, it does not look to be nearly as significant as what came through here this past weekend. So let's figure it all out right now as we dive into the models, see what the future may hold. Here we go, the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. All right, we've got high pressure sitting off to the north of us. Our upper low is pulling away, and that deep trough in the east, what it means for us down at the surface today. How about sunny sky returning to the area? High temperatures warmer today, but still not bad. Low to mid 80s and those humidity levels coming down. An isolated storm over the eastern mountains still possible, though. And then for tonight, mostly clear sky. Overnight lows in the upper 50s in the cooler valley locations to mid 60s here in the urban core. And then tomorrow, sunny and another beautiful day. High temperatures in the mid 80s or so. Upper 80s to near 90 on Wednesday. Sunny sky continues. Same thing on Thursday. With some increase in high clouds, we're going to see an upper low spinning off the central and southern California coast again by late in the week. And so that should draw in at least some high clouds around. Same thing Friday, partly sunny, high temperatures, upper 80s. All right, let's go to the weekend. And the forecast is a bit uncertain here. Our upper low continues to sit off the southern California coast, might start to meander east at this point. We also have a trough digging in across the Pacific Northwest and the Great Basin / Intermountain West. And as that happens, that's going to help to eject our low to the east as well. Some increase in moisture is possible. This run of the GFS, though, really doesn't show much in the way of precipitation here, but we'll put in a small chance for a shower by late Saturday. Slightly better chances in here on Sunday as that low moves to the east. Still remains to be seen how impactful that system will actually be. It looks right now that the track might be a little further south than the previous upper low, and if that's the case, we would have less moisture and less precipitation chance from that feature. Still, we'll put in a 20% chance of rain or so for Sunday, and high temperatures coming down with the influence of that trough and heights coming down, breezy conditions. We might only be in the upper 70s to about 80 on Sundays. So again, it's going to feel pretty nice here. Then a week from today, here's Monday, the 24th of October. And again, that upper low sits to the south of us. Some moisture would be around if that's right, though, for at least a small chance of rain. Temperatures still not bad, probably pretty close to 80. And then going out 10 days, this is Wednesday, the 26th, troughing to the north, kind of a zonal flow here as we're on the southern periphery of that. Heights a bit below average, so that looks dry, but relatively pleasant temperature-wise. Likely below average temps, maybe only in the upper 70s. Not bad. Looking at rainfall for Phoenix. Now, this is going to go all the way out through the 31st, all the way out through Halloween. And yeah, the numbers coming down here. The ensemble mean is about 1/4 of an inch. And temperatures off of the national blend of models. Yeah, we might still touch 90 at some point this week. And then after that, it looks like the 90s will be gone for a while, maybe for the rest of the year. And highs dropping back to around 80 or so, with overnight lows in the 60s. And of course, many valley locations will drop into the 50s. Yeah. That's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video due back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, then be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell. Leave those comments, questions, and suggestions. And yes, the executive producer of the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion is the one and only Asian sensation. She is my Michelle. And you guys, please, I cannot thank you enough for all of your participation. Just continue to do that with all of your comments and positive feedback or negative feedback. We don't care. We love to hear it all here. What you like, what you don't like. Thank you for participating in the chat. Appreciate that as well. Now, be safe out there. You guys have yourselves an amazing Monday.